Okay. Here we go. I can see comments now, I think. Hopefully. So, today is Monday. Happy Monday. I hope everyone had a great weekend. And I wanted to show you. Now, you guys have seen my, and of course, it's not here where I need it right now, is it? Where is it? Doggone it. I'm always, I'm never prepared. Anyway, things disappear in my craft room. I don't know if I have like a, what do they call them? Goblin in here or whatever that keeps hiding things from me, but it seems like I have one. So this is My Valentine from Carta. Carta and Echo Park are a similar company. I don't know if you know that. I think they're like the same company, really, just different branches. So this is Carta, My Valentine, not to be confused with Be My Valentine, because I think there's an Echo Park Be My Valentine collection. This is the My Valentine. This is brand new for this year. And you can see lots of fun things. I'm going to show you the paper. This is available. Simon Says Stamp. I think maybe scrapbook.com too. I'll post links later. Right now, this is kind of a spur of the moment. I've been working on some tissue box. Oh, here it is, right here on my desk. I did this tissue box cover. Now this is cardstock that was embossed. I might do that, or I might just use DSP on all four sides, whichever. But this is a tissue box cover that I made, and I'm going to be making some for Valentine's Day decor. And I'm going to be using this paper, My Valentine. But you can use any paper that you have. You don't have to feel like you have to go out and buy this paper. I just wanted you to see it. It does come with 12 by 12 sheets of paper, and it also comes with this adorable, these are like cardstock stickers. I'm having a hard time talking today, I guess. So they're nice and thick and very, so I'm going to be doing, I'll be showing you later when I get them done. I've gotten this far. I've gotten the box, bottom, and top. Now I have to decorate them. And I'll probably use some of these stickers to decorate them. I like this little banner here. I'll probably use that on one of them. And maybe this love. This would be great for cards too. Now I posted a link to the My Hero Arts January kit. Also, look for that posting. And I'm going to be using that for Valentine's Day as well. So you can see these are nice and thick stickers. So, and they match the paper. So let me show you the paper. I was surprised, this paper, usually the paper is like a flat surface paper. This is like a very soft pattern in it. A very soft, almost like it was, you know, when you emboss something, it's a very, very fine embossing type feel. But I like that. I think it gives it a kind of a better, a more romantic feel, for lack of words. But on the back are cherries. So if you don't like cards or do scrapbooking or whatever, you can definitely still use this paper. Beautiful cherries. And then I might use a few of these on the front of my front of my boxes, or cards too, I guess. So lovely, lovely, lovely. That's one. Now I will do, this is gorgeous here. And this is Carta, My Valentine paper, and it like I said, it has that nice rich feel to it. It's makes some beautiful cards. In fact, I wonder, should I even use it to make these? Of course, I can always buy more, but it's just so pretty that I wonder, should I make it? I'll make cards too, but so I just think that the tissue boxes really add a lot of festive feel to the home. So I was going to make some for Christmas, but I didn't get to it because of, you know, the Christmas rush. After about the 1st of December, it's a crunch to just get my Christmas cards in the mail and gifts bought and food prepared and house decorated. So these are more of a little distressed looking hearts, but still very pretty, and it'll make a beautiful box. I'll show you later when it's done. This is a nice pattern too. Okay, so on to the next one. These are probably good for 4x6 if you do scrapbooking, and especially if you do the pocket scrapbooking, which is what I do. I've done both. I like the pocket scrapbooking because it's just easier, but I need to get back into it. I kind of got away from it, and now I'm going to get back into it. So got lots of pictures to make, to put away and to scrapbook. Okay, so here is a beautiful little heart pattern. That would make a beautiful card because it's a small pattern. So larger patterns usually are good for projects like the tissue boxes. Smaller patterns are better for cards and stuff. So these are tiny little, I'm not sure, you could do 4x6 maybe there if you wanted to, or cut them out individually and use them on a card. That's kind of a pretty color, and not a color you'd think for Valentine's Day, but it goes with other things in the suite. So there is a cardstock collection that goes with this that you can purchase, but I didn't think I needed it for this. They have, Echo Park has an Easter set coming out, and Easter is called, it's Easter time. It's not quite in stores yet, online stores anyway, and so I'm going to use that for Easter, and I will definitely buy everything for that. Probably the paper, the cardstock, the embellishments, the stickers, the stamps, the dies, because it's a really, really cute set. Okay, so but for this I'm just gonna try to keep it simple. But when I get my Hero Arts monthly, January monthly kit, which those go so fast, if you even are thinking about it, you better get it because they'll be gone by tomorrow, maybe even. So we have some newspaper wrapped around flowers, very cute. And then on the other side, lots and lots and lots of Valentine's hearts. Yeah, cute. And flowers, some really springy looking flowers if you wanted to do a springy card. And on the back, some more beautiful red with little hearts. So definitely great for your Valentine's Day crafting and decorating and whatever, scrapbooking. And this is stamps, just little stamps. And this is a beautiful pattern with, it's like a muted two-tone roses in the background. Oh, it is gorgeous. It is gorgeous. So I just lament that I don't have more time to play with this. I don't know if you do. Lament that, but some more springy flowers. Doesn't always have to be hearts for Valentine's Day. And then on the other side, some pretty gingham. Gingham's always good for spring. So, and then we have some ice cream cones. So who doesn't love ice cream cones? And so if you don't think you'll use all of this for Valentine's Day, you can save some for spring type cards and decoration. And then here's some more multicolored hearts. So I'm sure, and I think it's a good value for what you get. It's a really good value. You can cut these apart and put them on cards if you want, or use them for your scrapbooking pages. And it looks like this is the last one. More 3x4 cards. Life is better together. I love you. And then on the back is this beautiful print here. All right. Well, I hope you enjoyed this preview of this paper. I like to say cardstock because it's thick like cardstock, and it's great for home decor, but it's good for anything you really want to do with it. My Valentine by Carta. All right, well, I hope you've enjoyed this preview or review or whatever it is of things to come, and I will see you guys tomorrow. I'm going to start going live here on this page so everybody can enjoy what I'm up to. All right, see you guys tomorrow. Bye.